Let's get the brain moving. Name the American general whose planned betrayal of West Point made his surname synonymous with treason. The answer here is option A, Benedict Arnold. Identify the Dutch-born exotic dancer executed in 1917 after French claims she spied for Germany. Lock it in. Option C, Mata Hari. Who was the Cambridge 5 defector known in MI6 as the Third Man? That one was option A, Kim Philby. Kicking it up a notch. During the Cuban Missile Crisis, which GRU colonel secretly fed the CIA vital intelligence on Soviet missiles? We were looking for option B, Oleg Penkovsky. This CIA counterintelligence officer was arrested at his Arlington office in 1994 for selling secrets to Moscow. Who was he? And the correct answer is option D, Aldrich Ames. Which Nazi war criminal did Mossad agents abduct from a Buenos Aires street in 1960? And the correct answer is option D, Adolf Eichmann, known as Rebel Rose, who led Confederate espionage efforts in Washington, D.C. during the Civil War. The answer here is option C, Rose O'Neal Greenhow. Only the sharpest get these. Dubbed the Man Without a Face, who led East Germany's foreign intelligence from the 1950s to the 1980s. Got it? Option C, Marcus Wolf. What one-word codename was given to the US-UK cryptanalysis program that revealed Soviet spies like Klaus Fuchs? Lock it in. Option D, Venona. Codename Farewell belonged to which KGB engineer who leaked over 4,000 documents to French intelligence in 1981? And it is option A, Vladimir Vetrov. Next, round 2, movie cats. Let's start nice and easy. Which actor voices the swashbuckling Puss in Boots in the Shrek franchise? We were looking for option D, Antonio Banderas. By what name is Dr. Evil's hairless feline known in the Austin Powers films? Correct answer. Option B, Mr. Bigglesworth. In the 1961 film Breakfast at Tiffany's, what simple name is given to Holly Golightly's orange tabby? That one was option B, Cat. All right, let's step it up. What is the name of the ginger tabby aboard the Nostromo in the 1979 sci-fi classic Alien? We were looking for option D, Jonesy. In the 2019 Marvel film Captain Marvel, what is the name of Carol Danvers' orange cat? We were looking for option D, Goose. In the comedy Meet the Parents, what name belongs to Jack Burns' toilet-trained Himalayan cat? Lock it in. Option A, Mr. Jinx. Which pampered white family cat, voiced by Nathan Lane, antagonizes the hero in the 1999 film Stuart Little? Lock it in. Option D, Snowbell. Now for the tough ones. In the 1993 Halloween classic Hocus Pocus, what is the name of the immortal black cat who helps the Dennison siblings? We were looking for option C, Thackeray Binks. In Stephen King's Pet Sematary, what is the name of the family cat, nicknamed after a famous British Prime Minister? It's option C, Church. In Disney's 1970 animated film, The Aristocats, who is the streetwise alley cat that helps Duchess and her kittens return home? Got it? Option A, Thomas O'Malley. Next, round 3, Olympic basketball stars. You've got this. Here come the easy ones. Name the Chicago Bulls icon who headlined the 1992 Dream Team on its way to basketball gold in Barcelona. We were looking for option A, Michael Jordan. Identify the Lakers superstar nicknamed the Black Mamba, who drilled clutch threes for the 2008 U.S. men's gold in Beijing. Lock it in. Option D, Kobe Bryant. Which Yukon alum co-captained the U.S. women's squad to a record 5th straight gold at the pandemic-delayed Tokyo Games in 2021. Got it? Option D, Sue Bird. This is where it gets interesting. During the Tokyo 2021 Games, which Nets star surpassed Carmelo Anthony to become Team USA's all-time Olympic scorer. It's option D, Kevin Durant, who carried Germany's flag into Beijing's 2008 opening ceremony before leading the Dallas Mavericks to an NBA title 3 years later. Lock it in. Option D, Dirk Nowitzki. Name the dominant 6'5" center who claimed 4 consecutive Olympic golds for U.S. women's hoops from Atlanta 1996 to Beijing 2008. Lock it in. Option B, Lisa Leslie, who replaced Rafael Nadal as Spain's flag bearer at the London 2012 opening ceremony and later settled for a second straight silver against Team USA. Got it? Option C, Pau Gasol. Final stretch, and it's not easy. Identify the Brazilian sharpshooter who poured in 55 points on Spain in 1988 and still owns the all-time Olympic career scoring record. You're looking for option D, Oscar Schmidt. This Australian forward, nicknamed LJ, earned silver medals in 2000, 2004, and 2008 before finally claiming bronze in 2012. Who is she? You're looking for option A, Lauren Jackson. Born in Lagos, which naturalized American center, made his lone Olympic appearance for Team USA at Atlanta 1996 and walked away with gold. The answer here is option D, Hakeem Olajuwon. Next, round 4, the Rolling Stones. These first ones are pretty straightforward. Name the charismatic frontman who has shared a songwriting partnership with guitarist Keith Richards since the early 1960s. And the correct answer is option B, Mick Jagger. Which early hit opens with a fuzz guitar riff that became a defining sound of 1960s rock. The answer here is option A, I Can't Get No. Satisfaction. Identify the studio album whose original vinyl sleeve sported a working zipper on a pair of blue jeans. And it is option B, Sticky Fingers. No more freebies. during which December 1969 California concert did Hell's Angels acting as security fatally stab attendee Meredith Hunter. Lock it in. Option B. Altamont Speedway Free Festival, known for his steady swing and tailored suits, which jazz-inspired drummer stayed with the group from 1963 until his 2021 passing. The answer here is option D. Charlie Watts. Featuring the chart-topping single Miss You, what 1978 album signaled the band's successful embrace of disco and punk influences? We were looking for option D, Some Girls. Who created the Tongue and Lips logo, first seen on 1971 tour posters and later on every album sleeve? It's option B, John Pash. Let's test your limits. What three-letter nickname, shared with a motor oil additive, did journalists give the group's raucous 1972 North American tour? We were looking for option B, S.T.P. Brian Jones played which mallet percussion instrument on Under My Thumb, giving the track its distinctive chiming riff? That one was option B, marimba. At which Riviera town's Villa Nelcote did the band cut much of Exile on Main Street using their mobile studio in 1971? Correct answer. Option D, Villefranche-sur-Mer. Next, round 5. Dream destinations. We'll begin with the basics. Home to Old Faithful, this U.S. park spans Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. What park is it? And the correct answer is option B, Yellowstone. Often called the City of Love, which European capital contains Notre Dame Cathedral on Ile de la Cité. It's option A, Paris. Famous for neon-lit Shibuya crossing, in which Asian metropolis can you grab conveyor belt sushi at almost any hour? Got it? Option B, Tokyo. Kicking it up a notch. On the Florida Keys at mile marker 0 of U.S. Highway 1, what city hosts the buoy marking the continental USA's southernmost point? And it is option B, Key West. Cliffside monasteries called Meteora rise above the plain of Thessaly in which Mediterranean country? That one was option D, Greece. Which Mexican state includes Cancun's Hotel Zone, the Maya ruins of Tulum, and the eco park Xcaret? That one was option C, Quintana Roo. An iconic granite peak called Fitzroy towers over Patagonia near El Chaltén, in which South American nation? The answer here is option A, Argentina. No guesses. You either know these or you don't. Stark basalt columns dubbed Giant's Causeway line County Antrim's coast, in which part of the United Kingdom? And it is option C, Northern Ireland. Black sand, Reynis Fiara Beach, and a crashed DC-3 on Solheima-Sandur lure photographers to what Nordic island nation? And it is option D, Iceland. The Trans-Siberian Railway ends its 5,772-mile trip at Russia's Pacific terminus. Name that port city, nicknamed the Jewel of the Far East. And it is option B, Vladivostok. Next, round 6, crossing from TV to film. Ease into it with these first ones. Which rapper-turned-actor leapt from TV's The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air to headline the alien invasion blockbuster Independence Day? And the correct answer is option B, Will Smith. Name the comedian who played Chef Sookie on Gilmore Girls before stealing scenes and an Oscar nod as Megan in Bridesmaids. And the correct answer is option A, Melissa McCarthy. In the TV medical drama ER, which actor later earned Oscars for Syriana and producing Best Picture winner Argo? It's option A, George Clooney. Let's turn up the difficulty. Identify the Friday Night Lights alum who laced up the gloves to play Adonis Creed in the revitalized Rocky franchise. And it is option D, Michael B. Jordan. Which former Daily Show correspondent led NBC's The Office before voicing Gru in the animated smash Despicable Me? Correct answer, option A, Steve Carell. Known for dancing on Disney's Shake It Up, who became MJ in Spider-Man, Homecoming, and earned Emmy wins for HBO's Euphoria. We were looking for option D, Zendaya. Before cooking up trouble on Breaking Bad, which actor played hapless Dad Hal on Malcolm in the Middle and later landed an Oscar nomination for Trumbo? We were looking for option D, Bryan Cranston. These are for the trivia pros. During season 1, slick lobbyist Remy Danton schemed on what Netflix drama before actor Mahershala Ali claimed an Oscar for Moonlight? The answer here is option B, House of Cards. J.K. Simmons terrorized inmates as Vern Schillinger on which HBO series long before drumming up Oscar gold with Whiplash? And it is option A, Oz. After wielding a sword as Ronan Dex on Stargate Atlantis, Jason Momoa ruled the seas in which 2018 DC film? We were looking for option D, Aquaman. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day,